Good morning and welcome to students in online English video class. Today we are going to solve exercise A to F of chapter number 2. The explanation of chapter number 2 has been already given in one of my videos. If you want to see the lecture, please visit the channel and get it more. So without waste of time, let us begin the class. We will be moving towards our first exercise, that is exercise A is given in your book on page number 12. So let us see. Here it is saying that fill in the blanks with the most suitable words. So the first sentence say my cousins are college students dash go to university college. So answer will be they. My cousins are college students, they go to the university college. Okay. Number 2. My sister will leave tomorrow. Who will miss her? This is who. Okay. Let me make it correct. Okay, so my sister will leave tomorrow. Who will miss her is the answer. Number 3, my brother and I love my sister very much. My sister also loves us. Clear? Number 4, we want to buy a video game. The video games will be ours is the answer. Number 5, Ali and Maria want to meet you. They will visit you tomorrow. Okay, so now here we have finished exercise number A, in which 1 to 5 sentences we have completed. Now let us go on exercise B, that is given on page number 13 on your book. So exercise B is saying that choose suitable pronouns to complete the given sentences. So here I have highlighted all the answers. Then I will explain you and I will read it. So first sentence say, my teacher and I have already discussed the matter. Okay, so here are some options: me and my teacher, I and my teacher and me. So why this option is suitable here, my teacher and I? So before talking on this exercise, let us go first on some point. Children, you can see that here it is written, in case of reference is to made to 2 or 3 persons together, preference is to given second person. Okay, if we are talking about first and second person in a sentence, so our first preference will be to second person. So that is why here you and I is given. First preference is given to you, that is the second person, and then after I. Then after the third person, if we are going to talk, means we are going to do the selection between the first person and third person, then our preference will be to third person first. So see the example, she and I. So she is the third person and then I will be first. Okay, then after, if the selection in between second and third person, so our preference will be to second person first, then after will be third person. Okay, so that exercise is based on these points. Now let us go to that exercise. So my teacher is the second person and then after I will be first person is the answer. Okay, so my teacher and I have already discussed the matter. Number 2, I think you and I will make a good team for the quiz. Number 3, Shefali and I are going to the magic show this Saturday. Number 4, the offer was made only to him and I. Number 5, Sanjay and you and Sanjay. So the answer will be you and Sanjay have to be present at the venue. Number 6, you and he are responsible for getting the stage ready. Number 7, the principal would like to meet you and her. Clear? Number 8, Aarti said she does not want to go to the picnic without you and him. Number 9 is saying Diya. It is Diya. Okay, let me make it correct. It is Diya. Clear? Okay. So Diya told Maya, you and I will participate in the debate competition. Okay, children. So here we have completed exercise B as well. Now let us go on exercise C. So exercise C is given on page number 12 on your book. Exercise C is here. Okay. So exercise C is saying what? Fill in the blanks with a suitable pronoun. Okay. So here are the first sentences. Ramesh was early today and said to me, "You see today dash have come on time." So answer will be I. Ramesh was early today and said to me, "You see today I have come on time." Number two, here is the parcel. Please have it sent by courier. Okay. Number three, I will give you message to your friend when I meet them today. Number four, Anil said, "Let us first try to solve the problem ourselves." Number five, my parents said, "Now tell." My parents said, "Now tell us." It is us, not is. Okay. So my parents, yeah. So my parents said, "Now tell us everything about your trip." Okay. Then after number 6, if you want to visit the monuments here, get a guide to tell you about their history. Okay. Now number 7, she told Akash that she won't be meeting him today. Number 8, my friends always carry their earphones with them, so whenever I forget mine, I use theirs. I can use theirs. Number 9. Try working on the problem yourself first before asking for help. And the last says, they are great artists, but they see themselves only as a students. Clear? So in this way, exercise C is also finished. Now this is explanation that have already given in that video. Please check the video once before solving the exercises. I will give the link in description box. So if you are finding difficulty to searching that video, please check the description box and then visit the link. Okay. Now before moving to exercise D, let us talk something on this point. Okay. The uses of few, a few, it is a few. Okay. Yes, uses of few, a few, and the few. So you can see that here it is written, these three indefinite pronouns refers only to countable nouns. Few denotes an insignificant number. It aims hardly any. Example, few of our books are new. Number 2, a few refers to a small number but which the speaker considers significant. Example, I met a few of my classmates from last year. Number 3, the few refers to the small number of something specific. It always identifies or denote of specific noun. Okay, it is number. Exercise D, choose the appropriate pronoun to complete these sentences. Exercise D is given on your page number 16. First says, who in your opinion is the most talented among these young musicians? Number 2, the news did not arise on its own. Somebody must have spread it. Number 3, the cat fed it till it was round and heavy. Number 4, please hand these over only to the class monitor. Number 5, I saw some boys standing. Let me check in the book. Just wait. Number 5, standing here. It is here. Okay. HERE. Okay. Here after there is a colon marks. Okay, I saw some boys standing here. Where are they? Number 6, I wrote a letter to the. Number 6 is to the person. It is to the person. I wrote a letter to the person. PERSON. S-O-N. I wrote a letter to the person who is, number 6, who is in charge now. Okay, who is in charge now. Okay, number 7, I'm giving my name for the poetry competition. What have you decided to do? Number 8, he breathed a sigh of relief. It's a relief, 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 and said, everything seems to be in order now. Number 9, is anyone interested in going to the cafe? Number 10, both are afraid of the dark, but neither is willing to admit it. 11, Rohit and Prabha decided to paint the classroom walls themselves. 12, there were 4 windows in the room, but none was open. Number 13, the students are making a lot of noise. Please tell them to talk softly. Number 12, 14. Number 14 says, if they win the match, they can pat themselves. Okay, this is capital T. The number 15, we had told her many times that she is a great singer. So exercise D is completed. Now let us go on exercise E. Write whether the underlined words in these sentences are demonstrative, interrogative, or relative. So the first is, Mr. Sharma is the man whom I was telling you yesterday. It's a relative pronoun. Number 2, this is the house in which I used to live earlier. It's a demonstrative pronoun. Number 3, if you had to choose one of these two shirts, which would you pick? It is an example of interrogative pronoun. Number 4, I have lost the diary that I bought yesterday. It's a relative pronoun. Number 5, this is Disha and that is her sister. So the word that is demonstrative pronoun. Now the last exercise of this chapter is exercise number F. It says fill in the blanks or choose the correct option to complete the given sentences. Instructions for a few have been provided. Okay, the first says the little boy dusted himself. Okay, he himself told you or us or me the secret. Any options can be correct. Number 3, they themselves are responsible for the luggage. Number 4, I, he, or me. There are 3 answers. Let us see how it is suiting here. I have narrated to him all my tales of adventure, but he was not paying any attention to me at all. Number 5, didn't you tell yourself that I will teach you how to sketchboard? Okay, now that was number 5. Yeah. So number 6 is he said that he was responsible for the mistake. Number 7, they wondered why. Here are 2 options that in between 2 options you have to choose any one. So the answer will be he. So it will be, they wondered why we were the only ones who had come to the party. Number 8, so here you have to use indefinite pronoun. Okay, so everyone or all both can be suited here. So everyone who are present there were excited, or all who were present there were excited. Number 9, someone knocked at the door. Number 10, my parents and I and my parents. So here the answer will be, my parents and I visited my grandparents last week. 11, the captain told his teammates, you and I will work together as a family. 12, teacher has asked you and Mitali to meet her after class. And the last is, ma'am wants to ask you and her about the project. So dear students, in this way we have completed all the exercises, and then after some explanation about the few few, and please visit once on the complete lecture of the chapter, and visit the link, clear your doubt. If you want to ask anything, please just ask in the comment box. Until that time,